is big and gray, waves its trunk in a wild display. With big ears it loves to play, stomping through the trees all day. Gentle giant, so strong and bright, with a heart that feels just right. In the moon or the sunlight, it's a friend that takes no flight. Oh, the elephant leads the parade, with a joy that never fades. Trumpets loud and never afraid, in every laughter, majestic stride in savannah's glow, leaves a footprint where it goes. With a silent chime, walks a path that's so sublime, making moments quite prime. Oh, oh, the elephant leads the parade, with a joy that never fades. Trumpets loud and never afraid. It's been made that only grows in the land where the breeze flows. It's wisdom ancient as time, each memory in every shade.